Hello again. It's Dr. Gunney here with another video, but today this one's a little different. I'm standing outside in the parking lot in front of my office. Why would I be doing that? You can see it behind me with the green, the orange graphics, the purple door, and then it's sitting right underneath the blue water tower. And those are some of the directions that we give people over the phone to help them find us. But why would I be out here? Today's video is important. It talks about why I've decided to have the high-tech office with all the high-tech equipment to help people get out of pain as fast as possible. I never dreamed that I was going to be doing this type of work. That's not what I went to school to do. But I learned something. I learned a quote from Thomas Jefferson. Thomas Jefferson said that the doctor of the future will give no medicine but will interest his patients in the care of the human frame, in diet, and in the cause and prevention of diseases. So as a chiropractor, I knew how to take care of the human frame, but I didn't really know how to help people with their diet. I didn't really know how to help people necessarily prevent some of these diseases from ever happening. That's what I set out to do. So I don't consider myself just a chiropractor. I consider myself the doctor of the future. And in order to do that, I have to have the most high-tech equipment that I've searched for over the last 10 years to build this office into a pain relief specialist. So we're going to go ahead and go into my office now so that I can kind of give you a quick tour of what you will expect when you come in. So as we open the door and I back in, this is what you will come into. So our desk is in the background, and we have the patient waiting area just on the other side of that glass. The phone's currently ringing because we've got some patients that are trying to get into the office, I guess, and that's a good thing. But I wanted to show you some of the things that we offer here in our office that you may not see in other offices. So we have whole body vibration platforms. These are actually to help blood flow and muscle. So they're in the background here. You stand on those and they help to get increased blood flow and lymphatic flow. So those are great. Those are awesome. Some chiropractic offices have those, most don't. But when we start talking about the lasers and the things that we deal with to help with pain, that's where it really becomes different. So chiropractors have used cold lasers for years, and cold lasers work really, really well, but they don't penetrate tissue very far. So if we're needing to really work with a disc issue or get inside of a knee joint to really work deep into those joints, we need something more powerful. That's where the 60-watt warm lasers come in. So that's what this device is right here. This will get all the way into the disc in your lower back. This will get inside your knee joint to actually help eliminate your knee pain. We have two of those because we had bought one and we wound up filling up the time slots on it. We needed a second machine, so we had to buy a second one. One of the newest machines that we have is straight out of Switzerland, and it's called the Acoustic Wave. And that sounds really cool, but it's right here. So it's this little device right here. And what it does, it uses actual sound waves to decrease pain and increase the tissue's ability to heal. So if you've got a really bad plantar fasciitis or arthritic knee, and we need to get that thing to heal as quickly as possible, we're going to use sound wave to do that. And the cool thing is this technology actually increases stem cell production so that your joints can start the actual rehab facilitation from the inside out. Super, super cool technology. The only one in Amarillo. Now, how many of you have ever been afraid of getting adjusted? What if you have really bad osteoporosis and we don't need to be popping and cracking your bones like some chiropractors would do? We have that taken care of. The latest in technology for helping using computer-assisted technology to actually adjust the full spine and any joint in the body is with this particular device right here. So it's a computer-assisted device. You sit comfortably in this massage style chair right here. You've seen them at the mall where you kind of lean up into these chairs and get a massage. Well, instead, you're going to be getting a very scientific, very specific chiropractic adjustment with very low force. In fact, it feels like we're just tapping on you. Very cool technology. Now, what about if you've got disc issues? What if you've got herniated disc and your surgeon says that you need to have back surgery? Well, we keep people from having a lot of back surgeries, okay? So we've got two tables here. These are our decompression tables. And I've actually got one of those in Dalhart as well that we use. But basically with non-surgical spinal decompression, we can actually treat the disc and actually get that to where it's no longer bulging or herniating as much as it was. And we can actually use the lasers later to actually go in there and eliminate the pain associated with that as well. So if you're on board for having a back surgery, put everything on pause for just a little bit and see if there's anything that we can do to help. Now, we also have a really cool waiting area. We have coffee, we have water. We also have really comfortable seats here for us to sit in. And we have wobble chairs to help loosen up and stretch the low back. We have 2 adjusting bays with really nice chiropractic adjusting tables. Now, you're probably holding some sort of electronic device right now. What I want you to understand is that electronic device can be causing cancer inside of your body because of the radiation that it's putting off. We can't get past it. It's the iPads, the iPhones, you name it, all of our smartphones and Samsung devices, all those things are causing cellular interference. They actually cause your cells to become sticky so that they don't flow like they're supposed to and they don't move like they're supposed to. Well, we have in this room a table called the iLife Psalm table. And what it is, it actually uses vibration, infrared heat, and magnetic resonance to actually delete and cancel out all of the interference and radiation that is caused from those cellular devices or any electronic device for that matter. So again, the most high-tech office in Amarillo, no doubt, but really the most high-tech office that there is that I know of. We help people get out of pain and we do it seriously. Last room we'll go into is right here. This is where we have an FDA-cleared device for fat reduction. So this is an FDA-cleared device to actually decrease fat in your body, which takes a lot of pressure off of your spine and helps improve your posture because we help you get that weight off. So that's something that goes along with our doctor-supervised weight loss program. Highly effective tool to helping you get that weight off that is causing all kinds of dangerous problems with your body. In our exam room, we have x-ray. So if we need to get a closer look at what's going on inside of your knee or inside your shoulder or inside of your spine, we have that available. So again, this is kind of a one-stop shop when it comes to helping you get out of pain and helping you lose weight. So that's all I've got for you. This is a little bit longer video, but I wanted you to kind of understand what it all started with. I started out just doing chiropractic, but eventually decided there's more. There's more people need. And that's when I set out to do all of this that you see now. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you take advantage of our offers to come in and see if there's anything that we can do to help you. This is Dr. Gunney again saying thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.